Are you tired of getting your resume rejected again and again and again? There is a solution. Approximately 85% of resumes submitted online are rejected. Why? Because most resumes do not have correct keywords, keyword phrases, or are in the incorrect format or combination of to attract an ATS. An ATS looks for keywords, skills, and keyword phrases. What is an ATS? An ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. An ATS is software that searches thousands of resumes that include keywords and keyword phrases that matches job descriptions from employers. When a resume matches the keyword or keyword phrases that are programmed by an employer, that resume is selected to move through the next phase of the hiring process. Here's an example of keywords or keyword phrases from a sample job posting. The bolded text are keywords to include on a resume and cover letter that are related to the job description. For instance, for customer service manager, you may want to include manage team, support change management, communicate, and so on. This goes for the skills. These are the words that are programmed into the ATS system. An ATS resume format is simple. Little to no pictures or graphics, preferably chronological, few lines or shapes, and a simple font. According to CNBC, more than 95% of Fortune 500 companies uses an ATS to streamline the recruiting process to keep up with thousands of applicants received weekly. Employers used to look through resumes and cover letters one by one to choose an applicant. With an ATS system, those days are long gone. The bundle includes 3 different ATS-friendly resumes, an ATS-friendly cover letter, a modern resume, over 190 ATS keywords, a job contact form, and other tools and bonuses to help lead you to your next job opportunity. Ready to get hired like this guy? Order your ATS bundle below. Get noticed, not trashed.